Hello everyone, my name is Shauna. Today I will be showing you how you can utilize the tools and functionality of CoWriter to help you edit your papers. If you feel lost or stuck at all during the video, feel free to pause, rewind, and go back to see if you missed anything. The first thing I'm going to do is go up to my CoWriter Google Chrome extension in the upper right-hand corner of my web browser. I'll click on that gray CoWriter thought bubble icon, and I will click on this switch in the drop-down menu that will appear. It will turn blue as well as the CoWriter icon, indicating that our CoWriter extension is turned on. Once I click in my paragraph, my word prediction box will appear. I am writing a paper about elephant shrews, so I'm going to use CoWriter's word prediction technology to help me finish writing my very last sentence. If you've seen our adjusting options video for CoWriter, you will know that you can change what CoWriter reads back to you. You can read back individual letters, words, or sentences. So we're going to go to our CoWriter option, the blue icon here in the upper right-hand corner of our web browser. In the drop-down menu that will appear, we'll click on the fourth option down that says Options, and it will bring us to our Options menu. On the right-hand panel of our screen, we will see Speak Letters, Speak Words, and Speak Sentences at the lower half of this menu. So we are going to speak words and sentences for the sake of this video, and I'm going to exit out of my CoWriter options because it has saved them. So now we are going to type in our sentence ending punctuation, and CoWriter will be able to read that sentence back to me. And while it does, I can scan it, see if I maybe misspelled anything, and I'll be able to hear if there's anything wrong with my sentence.
This can help explain why they are not very friendly towards other animals. Although they are little, they are mighty.
So I noticed that this sentence was a run-on sentence. So I can go back in here and I can fix
This
that.
can help explain why they are not very friendly towards other animals. Though they are little, they are mighty.
And I also want to have CoWriter read back these next few sentences to me, the first few. So I'm going to highlight them, I'll right click, and in the menu that will appear, I will go up to the very top where it says CoWriter, I'll scroll to the right, and I can click on that speak button, and CoWriter will speak those few sentences that I've selected out to me. If I wanted to stop speaking, I can just right click, go up to the top where it says CoWriter, and click that second option that says stop speak. Let's try it out.
An interesting animal that not many people know about is the
Very cool. Now, I see some misspelled words here in my paragraph, so I can just simply click inside of the word, and CoWriter will predict that proper word for me. This is a super useful tool to help you edit any paper that you have. If you have any other questions about CoWriter or would like to access some of our other product resource videos, head over to donjohnston.com/support. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.